feels like I achieved something, that I wasn't 100% prepared for. So I'm happy that I did it, and I'm happy that I learned a lot. I've gained a lot of confidence in there's no easy way, there's no shortcut when it comes to looking at companies. So that's a good thing to know, that you have to do it yourself. You can ask people, you can get opinions, but at the end of the day, it's your money. So that's the transformation for me, is I'm gonna have to transform, by doing it myself. To get more knowledge, reach out to something I'm not very confident in, and if I do want to invest in the future, I should be confident in the companies that I choose. And now I have insight into how analysts do it, and I have confidence to maybe look at the annual reports and go into the company a bit and analyze it myself. And if that matches, it's a good tool to have.
Yeah,
so I'm very thankful for that.
Well, I think you demonstrated that you've learned that. That was a good
report. And thank you for organizing a class in a way where we could do it ourselves, and after work it's hard for a lot of people, so it was pretty good.